Hello everyone and welcome back on the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are going to take a look at the massive drop that's happening in the market. Bitcoin is down to 113k. Market is dripping. We are having lower lows and lower lows, and right now we will probably find support here at around 112. That's when I expect a big bounce back, going for new higher highs and also for a new all-time high. We will also talk about the liquidation heat map and where it shows us that the market will probably have a bounce back and what are the next price targets in the upcoming weeks. For now, Bitcoin, we can see already touched the oversold zone here. And with that being said, we might see a bounce very soon. We might have to reconfirm this oversold zone like we did here. But we can see here, once Bitcoin dipped to 112k last time, we had a nice run for almost a whole month, which was nicely. We went up around, let's measure it from here, around 11%, which is quite nice. That's where I expect the next bounce to be coming. We can see we're almost in the oversold zone. We are already oversold here on the 1 hourly, and I'm expecting a bounce back very soon. And I'm still in all of my trades here, guys. You can see my account dropped massively, around 60k, just from last week when the market was still up a lot. Now you can see here a lot of trades are in the red. As we can see here, Solana trade down massively. Just a couple of days ago it was over 20k in profits, now it's only 5k. And here Link still holding the best, I would say, from all of the altcoins out here. Still over 20k in profits. Dogecoin also was over 10k in profits, now it's only 2.5k. VeChain around 1k in profit. Uniswap also dropped quite a lot. So let's see what will happen in the next upcoming days. And also Ethereum, guys, sitting at $4,200 right now. We will also talk about Ethereum and also the liquidation heat map. And as we can see here, we are testing the parabola here, guys. Same like we did last time. We can see here we are basically testing the zone right here. This is the line. So let's see if Ethereum will manage to break out. For now, we are actually on a very strong support. We can see we are having some support from this consolidation phase right here at 4,150. So I expect this zone to be very strong. Let's also look a little bit at the liquidation heat map. We can see there's a lot of liquidity here at around 119k for Bitcoin. We can see very massive, like 558 millions of liquidity is there. Then we have here still a little bit of liquidity left here at 113. After that, the liquidity is basically gone from the downside here. So we might see a bounce back very soon. Now let's check out Ethereum as well. We can see here we are still having a little bit of liquidity here down below, but there is a lot of liquidity here on the upside. $4,800, that's where 800 millions of shorts will probably get liquidated. So there's a lot of liquidity to the upside. But for now, we can see Ethereum chart lower high, lower high, lower high. Here we created a higher high here. We had a nice recovery phase, and then unfortunately it went down again. So let's see what will happen now. For now, we have to go above the $4,400 so we can create a new higher high and a new uptrend. That's very important. For now, I'm still buying a lot. I still have some margin left, around 45k in margin, that I'm gonna use for some trades right here. So let's see what else we have. I definitely like Sui, guys. Sui just got listed on Robinhood today, and it didn't have any pump on this news because the market's just so bearish right now. But you know, when the people are bearish, that's when we are buying, because that's the smart move. When everybody's scared, when there is blood on the streets, that's when we have to make the smart decisions and grow our positions, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm very bullish on Sui, so let's add another 1.8k to this position right here. order price, we can see I still have a limit order set here at $3.25. Let's see if it will get hit or not, but I think this position will probably open now because it's just around here, just 4 cents away. So let's see. For now, I have a lot of positions open here, and I like all of these projects, guys. So that's why I'm very bullish. So which ones should we add some more into? Let's see. I definitely like Tao, guys. I think Tao, it's a major play in the crypto AI space. So that's why I'm quite bullish on it. Let's see if we can see some patterns here, guys. We have some kind of a symmetrical triangle here. Is it this? Let's see here. And we can see we are basically on the support zone of this symmetrical triangle here. Let's quickly draw it here as well. Right, we can see. Now we can see it much better. Let's also see it if we can see it on the daily. Just 1 second. On the daily, let's see, it's not as long as supposed, but yeah, this triangle is basically playing out since the beginning of July. Now the question is, will it break out to the upside or to the downside? Now we will probably have another move to the upside, so I expect Tao to go very soon here to the $391. So let's buy some more Tao bid and soar. Let's see, I will add another 1.7k here. Confirm, order placed. Now let's see what will happen to the market. No, I think this support line is probably going to hold. I'm quite bullish on Tao, and I'm happy to add some more to my position, especially at such a low price. If you want to trade like you see me do, guys, here on the VX platform, you can grab down in the description up to $30,000 in bonuses. Make sure you take advantage of the opportunity and start your trading career. You can go there, you can get a $3,000 Ethereum position also if you're downloading the app. So you can basically start your trading career today with a very low entry point. Make sure you take advantage of it, and don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Bye. Bye.